We discuss Vechain all the time on this channel, and this is because we truly believe that Vechain has a massive amount of potential going into the future. Today we're going to be giving another price prediction for Vechain, this time for the next month, considering how well that it's bounced back from the recent market dip, and also how much bullish momentum it's currently experiencing. It seems likely that Vechain is going to head to all-time highs again this week, considering how well it's been recovering from the dip in the past few weeks. And if this happens, we believe that Vechain can head to 50 cents to $1 in the next month or so. Let's discuss it. Make sure to watch the video till the end for all the essential information. This is not financial advice and is for entertainment and educational purposes only. We always stress that you do your own due diligence. Please like and subscribe for daily videos and hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications. YouTube does gatekeep some cryptocurrency content, so to get access to this time-sensitive information immediately, make sure to turn on notifications. Hitting the like button helps the channel out immensely, so if you enjoy the channel, please hit the like button now. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or become a YouTube member via the join button right next to the sub underneath this video, where you can get access to our private Discord along with a host of other benefits. We're going to be posting there more regularly with weekly and monthly coin calls and also in-depth research of more obscure altcoins, so if that's something you're interested in, please check it out. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well, where we're hoping to grow our valuable community as a useful resource for all. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. Today we're talking about Vechain and our price prediction of 50 cents to $1 coming for the cryptocurrency in the next month or so. This is not hopium, and the analysis is based on the combination of technical analysis and also the incredible amount of momentum that Vechain has been getting recently with news and general sentiment in the market. The recent dip in the market dented the momentum of Vechain somewhat, but it seems very likely that Vechain is going to be continuing its amazing price action very soon, and there are a few reasons for this. The first reason is looking at how well Vechain handled the recent dip, which was exceptionally well in our opinion. Vechain dipped to around 13 cents before it corrected, but there was a huge amount of buying pressure anywhere below 15 cents now, and the price has already recovered back into the 20-cent range, which has only been seen for the past month or so. Vechain actually lost less percentage gains than most cryptocurrencies out there, and this is most likely because of the sheer momentous run that it's been on recently. Vechain has been on a tear in the past few months, and it seems likely that this is about to pick up the torch and continue its rip into the next month. With the revitalized sentiment in the market, it seems very likely that Vechain is going to continue its upwards pressure, and if it can challenge its all-time high again this week, we strongly believe it could be headed to 50 cents in short order, and maybe upwards of nearly $1 in the next month depending on how much the pump can achieve in the next few weeks. Adding additional fuel to the fire for Vechain is the AMA happening in the next week with Sunny, the CEO of Vechain. There has been a large amount of rumours surrounding the AMA with some big announcements coming, and considering how much the Vechain has been pumping in the past few days to reach its previous highs, it seems likely that any news that is bullish for Vechain could tip the price action over the edge and send us to further all-time highs in short order. There are rumours of some large announcements for the crypto, and any more integrations or bullish sentiment would likely cause Vechain to pick up where it left off in terms of price action for the next few months, and this would obviously be amazing for investors. We believe the positive sentiment for the whole space for the past few days off the back of the market-wide correction, we could see Vechain running up massively in the next few weeks off the back of more bullish news, and the AMA could provide fuel to the fire that is needed to really send Vechain running again. Vechain's performance over the past year has very likely seen many investors feeling extremely bullish about where they've been seeing the project. To put it mildly, Vechain has been seeing huge growth and continues to make strides to add additional partners and integrations to their ecosystem, which has seen them exploding in value in the past 6 months or so. Vechain's gains in the recent year have been some of the largest in the entirety of the top 50, making over 150x returns from the lows of March last year until the recent market-wide correction that has seen all cryptocurrencies take around a 25% hit. We're very bullish on Vechain because it's been recovering so well from the recent market correction, and we believe that it can pick up where it left off for gains in the next few weeks. Vechain millionaires are already being made all the time due to the huge growth of the project, and once more institutions start moving to use Vechain in the future, there could very well be a massive amount of growth for the project, especially in the next 5 years. We believe our price target of 50 cents to $1 is possible for Vechain in the next month, because there seems to be so much to be bullish about for the project this year. They are bringing out new news all the time, and it's amazing to see how quickly they are developing their ecosystem. It wouldn't surprise us if Vechain brought out some more major partnerships soon, and if that happens, it's going to be very likely that Vechain absolutely pumps after the AMA this week. If Vechain can reach these sorts of prices before the climax of the bull run in the next 3 to 4 months, Vechain could look to hit a $3 price target or higher if it can keep up the sentiment we're currently seeing. When looking at the technical analysis for Vechain in the past few days, we're very impressed and bullish on what we've seen for the cryptocurrency's performance. The double bottom that is happening across the entire market could be clearly seen with the downwards momentum for Bitcoin pulling Vechain down with it. Vechain dropped momentarily to the 13-cent range before being bought up heavily in the zone between 15 to 16 cents, and then retesting this area in the second leg down in the negative sentiment for the market. However, Vechain was bought up heavily in these areas, and the bounce that it received as a result is very positive for the crypto, and it's headed back to the 20-cent range at the time of recording this video. We can envision it will most likely retest a small downwards correction again before heading to the all-time high range, where it will pull back and then retest the high again. Once this happens, it's difficult to imagine that Vechain will not run up massively, especially if the sentiment matches the upwards pressure of the market as a whole. Vechain is a project when looking at the fundamentals that has a huge pedigree. Its supply chain tracking and business management protocol has seen amazing adoption by companies all around the world for its life cycle so far, and it seems likely to continue this trend going forward. The adoption for Vechain by large institutions is massive, and it seems very likely that this will continue in the future, as it's obvious Vechain know how to work with the biggest companies in the world. Vechain's huge network effect and multiple integrations and partnerships of the protocol is the main reason to be bullish, as the sheer amount of companies already using it proves just how valuable the project can be and may well continue to be in the future. It's very likely that Vechain will continue to see adoption for its supply chain management if it's already providing utility to so many top companies around the world, and this is very bullish for investors. Vechain provides supply chain management and business solutions for businesses, and the utility and provided by supply chain tracking is getting used by so many top companies around the world such as BMW. It seems very likely they can continue their integrations into the future. Supply chain tracking is a huge industry with a huge market cap, and if Vechain can grab even 1% of the huge market cap of 50 trillion or more, Vechain would be a massive project with a 5 to 10 price target at least. When looking at Vechain, it's easy to be bullish on them at the moment, considering how well they've recovered in the past week from the market-wide correction. With the combination of more bullish sentiment, we believe our price target of around 50 cents to $1 is possible in the next month if Vechain can break out. The sentiment of the whole market is bullish again, and we strongly believe that Vechain could be about to get more bullish news in the space, pushing it higher into the future. We wouldn't be surprised at all to see a $1 price per Vechain in the next few months once the rally resumes. Vechain is a project with massive fundamentals, and in the long term, these always prove to be very decisive for the success of a protocol. Vechain has been robust in the past few weeks, and the buying pressure we'll see will likely see it conquering all-time highs in the next few weeks again. Vechain is a project with some of the best fundamentals in the whole of the space, and the recent price action really shows how quickly and effectively Vechain can move. So what are your thoughts on Vechain? Do you like the project, and what is your price prediction for them in 2021 and beyond? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, as we'd be interested to hear your ideas about the price action of Vechain in the future. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, so please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. Also make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel immeasurably, so if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well, where we're hoping to grow our valuable community as a useful resource for all. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.